Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Knape Vogt PB-2004. This is a four-wheel carrier. I have one removed from the packaging here. This is a four-wheel carrier that is going to include, well, first of all, the pendant bolt. That's what this is called. And that's going to be already connected with a nylon insert nut that's going to be there. You will get the top plate to go along with it. Quick lock nylon mechanism. Okay. There you go. Of course, that nut is there to allow you to be able to use the included wrench to tailor the exact distance or height, or tailor the height of the door. You will then get the 4 screws that are necessary for attaching that top plate. Okay. Now, let's get some dimensions. They say that these wheels are 1 inch thick, even though that's not listed, but we'll go over that in a moment. Or 1 inch wide diameter. 1 inch wide. Overall, outside of the wheel to the outside of the wheel, about 2.5. The steel channel itself, 2 1/4. The width, just heavy on 1/2 inch, 9/16. That pendant bolt, when it comes from the factory, it's going to be 1 1/8. Okay. That top plate, and I'm giving the dimensions so that you can, you know, if you're in the field and you need to determine if this is the right unit for your replacement, the dimensions go a long way. Overall length of the top plate, 2 7/8. Overall depth, 1 3/16. You can get an idea of the thickness or the overall offset of the material. It's about 5/16. Okay. Now, where is this used? Well, the PB-2004 is a standard wheel. It's a standard caliber wheel, 4-wheel carrier with quick release top mount plate, zinc plated steel, 1 inch diameter, it does say it, 1 inch diameter lubricated plastic wheels, component for 2 or 4 door applications, bifold applications, up to 75-pound rating for the hanger. There is a link below, there is a description below that will tell you if you have, first of all, these are all bifold kits is what this comes out of. They are all 75-pound rated, and it will say how many of these you need to order based on the quantity of doors. It's quite simple. This goes on the leading door. So if you've got a 2-door bifold, you'll have the pivoting door and then the leading door. And if you've got a 4-door, you'll have 2 leading doors that meet in the middle. So you'd need 2 of these hangers. There are links below this video to a variety of cut sheets based on the application. It's more additional information, shall we say. The important link, in my opinion, is on the manufacturer's page below this video. That link will allow you to pull up the full line sliding door catalog that you can review not only the PB-2004 from the BIF-75A kit, but all of the other subcomponents that go along with it. And it's the logical method by which this catalog was laid out from Knape Vogt that makes me quite partial to their relatively new line of sliding door hardware. So as you search through the catalog, you'll find the PB-2004 4-wheel carrier, 1 inch diameter wheels, quick release top mount plate. In the first page where you'll find all of the other constituent parts that you can source. You'll see another reference to the, if you continue to look, you'll see another reference to the ball bearing version of this same hanger that will give you the same diameter of wheels. It's just that it's rated for a 100-pound door. That's the BIF-100A kit. The ball bearing hangers, in my opinion, are always the way to go. People will have these hangers, and they will last decades. There's no question. Ball bearing makes for smoother action, more abuse resistant, the ability to hang a heavier door. And by logic, if you have a lighter door the ability to give you a lifespan or an expected usable service of life that is measured in years. And the only time these are replaced is generally when it's an accident. They're broken, they're lost. Doors are removed to be painted, and the hardware seems to end up in the garbage sometimes. So anyway, as you continue through the catalog, if you were to, you'll see the ball bearing version. Then you will just see the reference to the PB 2004, this model, as it also relates to other kits. The bypass kit. A pair of these in a bypass are rated for 125-pound doors. So you'll see it in the BYP bypass-70 125A kit. If you that same ball bearing model, that's rated for 150 pounds, as it's used in the bypass sort of orientation, because you're using them in pairs, so that makes perfect sense. Okay, and then as you continue through the kit, through the catalog, I should say, you will find that it relates to the pocket door 125-pound rated kit as well. And that concludes everywhere where you will find references to this. The bottom line is, for my perspective, the catalog is incredibly easy to use, very approachable. All you have to know when you're thinking about Knape Vogt sliding door hardware is, what's your application? Bypass? Bifold? Pocket? Go to that section. Now, next question, how heavy are your doors? Okay, go right to that section. Then you're done. How many doors do you have in the opening? That's it. You're at the kit that applies to you. So it's a pleasure to work with Knape Vogt, and because it's easy, there's nothing really to think about. They've done all the thinking and made it very approachable. Anyway, of course, there's also on that manufacturer's page a link to their core catalog, the stuff that Knape Vogt is most widely known for: standards, pilasters, brackets, pilaster clips, things of that nature, storage solutions, and of course, in my opinion, some of the highest quality drawer slides that you'll find. My family has sold Knape Vogt drawer slides for decades, and people come in, they ask for it by name, and because it's easy to install, the instructions again are well laid out, and the material just works, and that logic applies to their sliding door hardware as well. Any questions on the PB-2004 four-wheel hanger or any other Knape Vogt product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.